Why do 90% of YouTubers struggle to monetize their channels? Stick around to find out and beat the odds. First things first, hit that 1,000 subscribers mark. Sounds tough? Nah, just share, engage, and create content people love. Next, you need 4,000 watch hours in the past year. Trust me, binge-worthy content is your best friend here. Now, on to the pro tips. Tip 1. Consistency is key. Upload regularly, like a digital clock. Tip 2. Thumbnails and titles matter. Make them pop, like that last slice of pizza at a party. Tip 3. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, run polls, and make them feel heard. Tip 4. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Double the fun, double the reach. And don't forget to apply for the YouTube Partner Program once you meet the requirements. It's like getting your golden ticket to the candy factory. So get out there, create, share, and shine bright like a YouTube star. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more tips. Catch you in the next one at Mr. 2 Degree Out, and remember, subscribe for more awesome content.